my destination. I'm at the 7th Avenue train station, downtown platform. Oh, look at that. Gotta love New York City. Look at that wonderful art. Look at that. It's amazing. Wow. Fantastic. Nothing that says welcome to New York City than that. Looks like a toddler drew it, but I'm pretty sure a grown man drew that. I think it's about time they do a little bit of renovation. Look at that. Yeah, I think the station is due a little bit of renovations. For those that don't know, this is the health point. Basically, if you have an emergency, you come here, you press the red button for an emergency. They'll send the police or an ambulance or the fire department, depending on what emergency it is. And you press the green button if you just need information, and yes, it does talk to you.
I feel like 3 drinks of Axios.
Yeah,
like,
that's like more uncommon, right?
But yeah, like homies,
It's like they know this.
but I mean, sometimes I feel like no matter what.
All right. Beautiful 7th Avenue. Currently at 7th Avenue and 9th Street. A lot of beautiful brownstones down here on 9th Street. Amazing. It goes further up past 8th Avenue and in that direction. And further down. So, funny story for you guys this morning. I would say about a good 95% of the time, I make my own coffee in the morning. So, this morning, I made a wonderful cup of vanilla coffee, French vanilla. And when I got on the NJ Transit bus, the 167T that I had taken this morning, I'm sorry, the 177X that I had taken this morning, I spilled it all over the chair. I was so upset that I didn't have anything to clean it with, and I felt so bad. I didn't want anyone coming up on the bus and not noticing and, you know, sat on there and got soaked. Told the bus operator when I got there, and she basically said, don't worry about it, it happens. So now, unfortunately, I would rather not spend money on coffee since I make my own, but I need it. Currently having a long day today at work, so I think I'm gonna take a walk over to the Dunkin' Donuts. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. There's a Dunkin' Donuts not too far from here. I believe it's on 7th Avenue and 7th Street. So I'm almost there actually. Oh, speak of the devil, here it is. It's right here. So I'm gonna get me a nice cup of coffee to start my morning off right. And here we are. Got my coffee, and all is well in the world. All right, everybody. Thanks again for tuning into Axiostreks. Don't forget to share and subscribe to the page. And if you can, comment where you're from and where would you like to see me trek next. Just comment wherever you want me to trek at in the New York City tri-state area, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Once again, thank you for coming to Axiostreks. Take care.